at CES 2018, we promised that by 2020, all Samsung devices will be AI-enabled and be connected to each other. And to meet that ambitious goal, we expanded our R&D organization by adding 7 AI centers in places like Cambridge and Montreal. And by 2020, we plan to hire more than 1,000 AI experts and invest $22 billion. And now, to make this happen, we have to reimagine Bixby from a simple mobile voice assistant to a scalable AI platform. Today, we are focusing on 3 areas that will increase Bixby's reach and footprint. First, we are putting Bixby on more devices, creating new user experiences, new AI experiences for consumers. And you will be experiencing the power of Bixby on Samsung TVs, refrigerators, tablets, and speakers. And second, in coming months, Bixby will be expanded to support 5 more languages. This effort will grow the addressable market for Bixby. And our third strategy to grow and scale Bixby, and probably this is the most important one, is to make it open. Open to your ideas, your innovations, and your imagination. And now, for the first time, we are opening up Bixby to all of you developers. We will also be launching Bixby Marketplace, a new channel to market your service to millions.
This has been a long time coming, but it's the most comprehensive, most powerful intelligent assistant tool set ever made. Way ahead of the other guys, and it's not even close. The Bixby Developer Studio will allow you to develop the way you know how, with a downloadable integrated development environment that enables you to store files wherever you want, manage your own source code versioning, and also enables efficient reuse of code for the various device types and locales supporting Bixby. Also, with this development tool, we're introducing our new dynamic program generation. This means that as a developer, you don't have to anticipate and write decision trees or hardwired code for every possible use case.
I want to spend a few more minutes talking about the latest addition to the Samsung ecosystem, Galaxy Home. Unveiled in August, it delivers high-quality audio and a seamless hands-free IoT experience. When you speak, Galaxy Home detects your exact location and optimizes the sound based on where you are in the room. Just say, "Hi, Bixby, sounds dear," and the music is directed right at you. And to round out the listening experience, we are also partnering with Spotify to bring Galaxy Home users the most personalized and optimized Spotify integration on any smart speaker out there. Soon, Galaxy Home will be added to the Bixby Developer Studio that you just saw.
Today, I want to talk to you about another device that is a big part of almost every home, the TV. Starting this December, we're releasing a new voice media control API so that content partners can leverage Bixby to create voice-enabled TV applications. I'm excited about this. This voice media control API will change the way consumers interact with their TVs. And I'm really excited to tell you that Netflix, Hulu, HBO Now, and Spotify will be innovating with us in this area, and we'll be supporting various transport controls on our Samsung Smart TVs next year. Next, I want to tell you more about TV Plus. TV Plus is a free streaming service built into our Samsung Smart TVs. To participate in TV Plus, it's as simple as selecting your content and creating your own broadcast schedule. We create a channel from your content, whether it's from individual assets or from an existing live stream if you have one. We can even help you monetize your content through our platform. It will continue to find new ways for TV SDK available this January. With the Ambient Mode SDK, we're transforming TVs into a canvas for you to develop new kinds of content and create new ways for people to interact with their TVs. Last, but certainly not least, I want to talk to you about the TV's important role in IoT. With the SmartThings dashboard, you can use your TV's big screen to check the status of your connected devices and appliances, and even control them right from the comfort of your couch with your remote or just your voice.
Our phones are now our cameras, music players, computers, and even gaming consoles. Mobile devices has grown bigger, and user behavior and patterns have evolved. At the same time, the user interface has become cluttered and more complex, with people saying smartphones are getting harder to use, which is just opposite of what we want. We believe it is time for a refresh. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you OneUI. Now, everything you need to concentrate on, text, images, or anything else, is the main element of the screen because these blocks help you to focus. All the important information you need is within these floating on-screen blocks, which is contrasted against the blank space behind them. With OneUI, the options on the setting menu has been rearranged to group relative functions together. This helps users to find what they're looking for straight away. Another example, the phone app has a cleaner look with OneUI. Now you see only the essential features related to the task you are carrying out. For instance, when you're dialing a number, the UI changes accordingly. The search bar and menu tabs disappear. That's because we know the user plans to make a call. The smartphone controls blend into the blank area of the screen, but they're still there when you need them. Now they don't pull your attention away. With OneUI, users see only what they need when they need it, so they can stay focused on what matters. The second way we've made OneUI completely user-centric is by making interaction more natural. With OneUI, we have restructured the way we interact with our devices. Now, the upper part of the screen is for viewing, while the lower part of the screen is for touch interaction. Let's use messages as an example. Normally, we expect the message app to show the most recent messages at the very top. This means you need to extend your thumb all the way to the top if you're using one hand, which means you need a really long thumb. With OneUI, your messages begins at the center of the screen where your thumb can easily reach. Let's take another example, the clock app. Previously, we provided multiple tabs to help you move between different functions at the very top of the screen. This meant to reach the buttons at the bottom, you had to cover the distance from one corner to the other. Now, we've moved the tabs to the bottom of the screen so they are easily accessible for your thumb. In the past, this pop-up appeared in the center of the screen. But now, with OneUI, the pop-up appears at the bottom of the screen so you can tap it faster. By changing the layout, adding more blank space, you can interact with your device more naturally. The third thing we've done to our OneUI is increase visual comfort. Last year, we introduced night mode in Samsung Internet app as a way to offer a more comfortable reading experience when it's dark. Consumers told us how much they loved it, and that's why we have now applied it across OneUI. You know, OneUI really sets a new standard for how the device and its user experience blend together, seamlessly reflecting the needs and tastes of today's consumers. For instance, we have tuned the color of our design to provide more visual clarity. More distinctive color and contrast offer a more focused and recognizable viewing experience. Speaking of colors, we are offering something totally unique within OneUI, a range of colored UX themes that match the color of hardware itself. Now your device seamlessly reflects your preferences and style. By listening to our consumers, we are providing a user experience overhaul, helping users focus on the task at hand, interact more naturally with the device, and providing a more comfortable visual experience. Now, while we are very proud of our OneUI's remarkable improvement, we need your feedback to continue improving. So, I'm happy to announce OneUI's beta test program, which will begin with US, Germany, and Korea in November, followed by more countries in Europe and Asia. We will be releasing OneUI for the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and the Note 9 starting early next year.
It makes me proud when I think of all the industry-leading displays we've brought to market. Each one was an important improvement on what's come before, and has helped people all around the world experience something entirely new. Well, today, we're taking our innovation in mobile to the next level, and I'm honored to share with you our vision for a new generation of smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the future of mobile display technology, the Infinity Flex Display. And I'm sure you're all wondering what it looks like in real life and how it works. Well, want to know more? It's finally here. When it's open, it's a tablet, offering a big screen experience. Thank you. It's gorgeous. When closed, it's a phone that fits neatly inside your pocket. Thank you. Now, of course, I'd get in trouble if I showed you everything today. So we've disguised the elements of the design, but trust me, there's a device inside here, and it is stunning. The Infinity Flex Display represents an entirely new mobile platform. We've always strived to bring you meaningful breakthroughs, but despite all that progress, we've been living in a world where the size of your screen can only be as large as the device itself. Well, we've just added a new dimension to help you browse, watch, connect, and multitask like never before. And we're not stopping there. Our innovation pipeline includes new technologies such as rollable and even stretchable displays. What you're seeing today is the result of the most talented engineers and designers in the world making incredible breakthroughs to create something amazing for you. And this isn't just a concept. The breakthroughs we've made in display materials have been matched by breakthroughs in manufacturing. As a result, we'll be ready to start mass production in the coming months. And the Infinity Flex is more than a new kind of display. And together with OneUI, it lays the foundation for a new platform, an entirely new mobile experience. OneUI works through two displays. When the device is closed, you have all the benefits of a normal smartphone. The cover display is a fully functioning touchscreen that allows you to use your apps without opening the device. And if you want a bigger screen, you simply unfold it to reveal the full 7.3-inch display. And with app continuity, the app you were using when the device was closed is right there waiting for you when it's open. It's an intuitive, continuous experience between the cover display and the main display. In addition, we're giving people the ability to run up to 3 apps simultaneously. No swapping between apps, no closing one app to get to another, just multitasking as it was meant to be. We call it multi-active window. You can see how OneUI turns the foldable display into something of real value that's going to reinvent the mobile experience. So what you've seen today has covered new display technologies, new form factors, new platforms, and totally new ways of using a mobile device. As developers and creators, we hope that this has sparked your imagination about how we can bring about a new era of mobile technology. We have the potential to drive real, revolutionary change together. And there are 3 ways we're going to help you get started. First, we'll be distributing an emulator APK to help you test your apps for this new form factor. Second, we'll be providing clear development guidelines so you know exactly what new features your apps should support. And third, we're hosting a developer session this afternoon to go into more detail on both of these. Today is all about partnership and collaboration. And our work with Google exemplifies that. To tell you more about how we're working together with Google to open up the Android framework and make this all possible, please help me welcome our friend from Google, Glenn Murphy.
Our team at Google loves the innovation in display technology shown here, so we have been working super closely with Samsung on it. Today, we are announcing that Android is officially supporting the foldable form factor, and we will be building into the platform the APIs to ensure a seamless foldable experience, supporting new capabilities like app continuity and multi-active window, which will allow your application to handle multitasking in new ways, as well as dealing with resolution changes as a user folds their device.
Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to working with all of you to unfold an exciting new future. Thank you.